What is going on? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I seriously appreciate you tuning in today. We are back in my 2006 Nissan 350z and we're headed to a local car scene car meet. It did start about 30 minutes ago, but we're gonna make it with plenty of time left. We found this beautiful yellow Genesis in front of us, which is awesome. We got a Corvette in front of us now. The Genesis turned off. I don't think he's actually coming to the car show, unfortunately. But so we found a parking spot. This is actually not too bad. So the car meet is right around this corner over here, and there's still a bunch of people driving around looking for spots. So we got super lucky. We got a 370Z right behind us and a 240SX as well, both in red. So we found the red squad. Let's go check out those cars. All right, this is our spot. Glove. Check it out. Gotta show you this 370Z over here though. Got the 370 with the street aero diffuser, freaking clean, and then the 240SX. I want one of these so bad. That looks so good next to the Miata and the Z. I like this darker red color. Sheesh. All right, let's go. So many cars, so many people. Let's start like on this end and we'll walk this way, I think. Go. We came from all the way over there. I mean, it's like 1,000 cars to look at. Like, I don't even know. Let's look at this cappuccino for a second. Yo, this thing is sweet. This thing is sweet. What? The cappuccino. It's like the only thing smaller than a Miata. $240 in red with the silver wheels. You taking the Beamer or the 240? It's a tough one. Oh gosh. I'm a Nissan guy. I think I'm going with the 240. Oh man, this thing's worth like 20K probably. Wow. Dang, man. This is crazy. I think the S2000 looks so good with a hardtop. It's like it was meant for it. It's the Red Suns. Right-hand drive. Dang. Dang, that thing is sweet. We're making our way. Oh, man. I think I follow this guy on Instagram, actually. On the interior, though? That's nice. Sheesh. Okay, so this or this? The car seat and everything. I think I'm taking this, unfortunately. Wow, that hood is crazy. Oh, I know who this is. Go follow my man's on Instagram, you guys. He builds the coolest little like scenes. I'll put a picture right here. This thing is clean though. Sheesh. Oh, he has them right here. No way. That's crazy. Like our car, perfectly stocked. Another Miata. Jeez. That hard top's worth like 5K. Jeez. Oh, that's cool. Oh wow. LS3 with the Z06 seats. Oh dang, the Z. It's all a ridge. Clean. I like this color. Yo, the aviation theme. I'm digging it. Top Gun. Dang. It's so cool. All the carbon on the HREs. Dang, that's clean. Even with the pop-ups all the way up, it looks like it has the sleepy eye look, which is so cool. Oh shoot, Steve, where are we at? Oh man. That's crazy. Look at them all, look at them all. This is such a clean EM1 right here. Look at this interior. Look at this interior. That's crazy. Type R. Thank you. Miata gang. Miata. Oh, that hardtop over there? Dang, on hardtop. 2 blue Subaru. Miata gang. Clean. All right, we're driving back from the car show. I figured I'd put the GoPro on for just a little bit, you know, because we're ripping it right now. Alright, so if you've stuck around this long in the video, I really appreciate you for being here. I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret, or like what my build plans are. One sec. Oh man, this thing is so much faster than the Miata. It's just crazy. I drive that Miata almost all week, and then I drive this thing on the weekends, and it's just night and day difference. But speaking of the Miata, I kind of want to start building the Miata a little bit more. I feel like it gets zero love on the YouTube channel, which is really ironic because I find myself thinking about that car even more than the 350Z nowadays. Partially, it's because I'm accumulating carbon pieces for the interior of the 350Z, and I don't really know what to do to the exterior of this thing. I love the way it looks right now, and I feel like less is more, so I don't really want to do, like, I don't want to go over the top with like just a bunch of crazy stuff, but I can't really bring myself to decide what to do to the outside of the 350Z. But as far as the interior, I kind of wanted to just do everything carbon fiber. So like I have the whole carbon fiber dash, which you guys have seen. I'm gonna be putting that on soon, but I found carbon fiber doors, like the entire door, and then I was gonna try and find these pieces that are all carbon and just see if I can get as much carbon fiber in here as possible. I think that would look really cool. But my big idea for the Miata, and every time I think about it, it gets me so excited, but it's gonna be, one sec. Oh man. It's like entering hyperspeed, serious. I know the 350Z is not the fastest car in the world, but I mean, I think it's pretty fast. Like, I don't know about you guys. I don't know what you guys are driving. I think the 350Z is pretty fast. So pretty much with the Miata, the build I'm gonna be seeking out, or the build I'm gonna be accumulating parts for over the next few months, is it's a themed build, which I do not believe that there's enough themed builds out there. And I mean, who doesn't love themes? You know, like you go to a birthday party, a themed party is always more fun. Like when you have to dress like a pirate or something. It's just always more fun than just going to a birthday party. So instead of just building a car like everyone else does, where it's a wide body kit or a body kit, suspension and wheels, basically what I want to do, I want to go with like an aviation theme or like an aircraft theme. Every time I drive that Miata, I already feel like I'm in an old school airplane, especially with the top down. It just feels exactly like an open topped aircraft. But I found airplane style gauges. I found more gauges that you can add, little, you know, flip switches like they have in airplanes. I don't know what they're called, but like little switches you flip and everything. And I think it'd be cool to wire it all up myself, you know, obviously pull the dash out, run all the wiring, and just make a really clean build. Like, I don't know how deep I'm gonna go into this aviation thing, but I have this idea, and I think we could really execute and make it look really amazing. I even want to put like real airplane gauges inside of the Miata. I mean, I've seen real airplane gauges like this big around, and it would look so weird in the Miata dash. So I think what we might try and do is make our own working airplane gauges. I know a lot of them use like a vacuum pump or something, so we might have to install like a vacuum pump or something and connect it to the motor, just so it gets some of the gyros spinning in the gauges that the airplanes use. I'll explain more once we go into it, but I feel like it would just be the coolest thing. I already feel like I'm flying an airplane when I cruise around in that thing. So let's give it an acceleration, you know. We'll start in second because I hate flooring it from first. And we're off. 6,500. All right. I thought it was gonna turn green, but it's gonna turn green as soon as we're slow. There we go. It's always a red light. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hit the thumbs up button if you did. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already. I have a lot of future plans for both of these cars, the 350Z and the Miata. So hit the subscribe button. Right now is an amazing time to do so, just because of the future plans we have. So anyways, thank you once again so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.